Welcome to the port of Recife. The easternmost point of the South American continent and south of the equator along the Atlantic coast. Its strategic location makes Recife an important port and is the fourth largest city in Brazil. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. After leaving Fortaleza, we had a day at sea, relaxing, and the crossing the equator celebration. A perfect day to lay around the pool and have fun. After a full moon night, calm seas, we're waking up approaching Recife. Recife means reef in Portuguese, and it's very close to shore, and we were told it was spectacular. It's a popular scuba diving destination. The cruise ship docks at a commercial port. Then there's just a short bus ride to the entrance hall. We're on our way to Olinda. When we get over here, when they drop us off the shuttle, we're gonna just get an Uber and we're gonna go to Olinda, which is a UNESCO World Heritage site known for all their artistic shops and whatnot. So we're gonna go spend the day there. We'll see what the exchange is. What's the exchange rate?
Yeah.
Usually those places are kind of a rip-off. I'm not sure where we're heading. We'll find out. Before exiting, there are a few local vendors and information booth, and they're giving out maps. There are plenty of taxis in the front. Good thing to know is that taxis are extremely cheap. They use meters. For example, going to Olinda, the taxi will cost you about $6 US, and Uber was about $4 US. Just $1 a piece for the four of us.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina.
Olinda, here we come.
Doce Bahia.
We're going to Olinda.
Do they have cold beer there?
I think they're going to have cold beer. They'll have all kinds of cold drinks.
No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha.
It's a lot of fun driving and observing the local life.
Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da Cirá. Doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho.
We took the Uber to the historic area, just got off, and we're in a beautiful area, just immediately. Well, we're just passing the public library, and there's a beautiful church on our left, amazing palm trees, and it's beautiful. Completely different vibe than the big city. Perched on a hill overlooking Recife is Olinda. We're here for just one day and we can't do everything we want to do, so we chose to spend the day exploring this charming historic town. It's famous for its Baroque churches and colonial buildings. We were just talking about these trees, how beautiful they are. They have their own story. This is the government palace here up on the top of the hill, and looks like they have a little band. They're gonna play some music. So in the distance, we can see the view of the city of Recife from Olinda. Pretty cool. Look at the art. Very arty. This is so pretty. They have the cobblestone streets. You can tell it's very old.
Look at the altar.
The altar, my goodness, yeah. It's really amazing. It's mind-blowing. You can just feel the history in here. Walking the streets it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of boutique hotels and some really neat arty type shops with unique gift shops. And everything is colorful, very colonial style. There's a beer pub. Some things aren't open yet because it's only like 11 o'clock. 15 for a Heineken, which is like $3. From this viewpoint, you can see Olinda, and then in the distance, you can see the big city of Recife. And there's a cruise ship in. Happens to be ours. What a nice big beach. You can't swim here, though. They say it's infested with sharks. Like I said, a mosaic mask. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Can we buy it?
Old sewing machines.
Oh, this number to the market.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Bom dia.
Dona é eu que faço os quadros, viu? O trabalho que faço eu.
Extremely picturesque and historically rich. Gosh, we would have never thought this was here. Look at this. Look at the view. We're in Olinda in this cute little cafe we found back behind a gift shop. It opened up to this unbelievable view of Recife and Olinda in the nearby area.
Oh, good.
Obrigada. Salute! I love all those multi-colorful buildings and the quaint cobblestone streets.
We're getting our exercise.
Very much so. I think I'm gonna try this side.
This is our second stop in Brazil, and so far the shopping has been wonderful. There's so many unique things, I have to restrain myself. So fun just to kind of walk behind shops and check things out. The views. There's mangoes, coconuts. And this tree right here is full of mangoes. Look at that. Mango season. The views are gorgeous. Zarka, what are you looking at?
Beautiful photograph. Aqui na frente.
Oh,
Fica bonito também.
Carnival. It's worth coming in here. It's really neat. And they're showing a video of Carnival here in Olinda when they do it. Very cool. These are really neat. How cool. I mean, Zarco's 6'3", so that kind of gives you an idea how big they are. They're huge. They all have cute expressions and different outfits, and it's so fun. They're all absolutely unique. So we made it over to the observatory, and you can see this when we're at the restaurant having our drink. This is an unbelievable viewpoint. The water is so pretty. It has a very emerald color.
That's, imagine this place fixed up.
Zarco was thinking about buying this place. It's a good thing it's far away from where we live.
Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da cirã. Doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho. Dá troco e fecha o vidro. Doce Bahia.
This is Recife Antico, which is the old part of the city. Looks like fun to explore, but we're running out of time.
Aperitivo e piscina.
There are many other activities to do here. We even saw boat tours going up the river.
No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré capelinha. Tem jacaré capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha.
It's a huge city. The waterfront has tall skyscrapers and hotels, and it's a beautiful beach. If you're new to our channel, check out our other videos from previous destinations. There's a lot more to come. We're going around the world on this ultimate journey, and we enjoy taking you along with us. If you like the content, give us a like. Feel free to comment and share. Our next port is Rio de Janeiro. Come and watch the New Year's fireworks with us. Good night from Recife and see you in Rio.